I first heard about the program at my tech school in high school. So there was a job fair there, and I was introduced to Seyer and the program they were offering. The main reason I chose it over a four-year degree was because, number one, the schooling was all paid for, and I knew it was something that was hands-on, so I would be willing to not get bored of real quick.
So I was originally going to go for machining either way, so this was just kind of a bonus. They're paying for school and everything else, and plus I get to go to work and then use it at school too, and what I'm using at school I use at work. So it's like, it's always on my mind on machining, and it works out perfect.
In high school I would sit in class all day and I would lose my mind of boredom sitting in a desk, but here we're standing on our feet working all day, which is great. I'm able to ask for help if I need it, and I'm very guided along my way, because all of this is very new to me.
There's not many downfalls to it besides just time management. If you can manage your time on school and work, there's really nothing that should stop you. And coming right out of this apprenticeship, you have a job after your 3 years of school. There's a lot of people that go to school and don't have jobs right out of school.
Some of my friends from high school that are a lot like me, don't want to go to college, don't want to spend all that money for something they don't know what they want to do. I've recommended it to a lot of people.
My favorite thing was being able to learn both sides of machining, so the manual side of things and then also the CNC side. So it's like, I kind of see how both is kind of different, but still be able to use, it's a good skill set to have to learn both of them. So I think that's probably the best thing I've learned.
I really think anybody could do it. Like I said, I'd never touched a machine coming into this. I enjoyed working with my hands, which helped a lot. So I'd say if you enjoy working with your hands, this is for you, most definitely. I would definitely do it again, yeah. That's really it.
Well, I was on the fence. And then I realized we get free college and we're paid and you get an education out of it. And if that's not totally gonna rope you in, I don't know what will.